Emperor Tamarin. The size of a squirrel. So he's not really convincing anyone he's an emperor. In fact, he only got the name because his impressive moustache looks a bit regal. But basically, he's a fraud. He's not even his own boss. That would be the Empress. She's got the Emperor at her beck and call. When she gets tired of the childcare, she simply sticks her tongue out and he comes running. He's the one that does the heavy lifting, tending to carry the young. But females almost always give birth to twins, and empresses don't carry babies. The old tongue trick again. And another emperor comes running. Free of the young, she heads out shopping for the most indulgent of foods. Nectar. So how has she turned the emperors into servants? By mating with both males at around the same time, they both act like the father. It's an ingenious way for Her Majesty to make time for herself.